So, where should you host your turn server for best possible media quality?
As close to the user as possible.
Okay,
Because
so if I've got a user, let's say in France, I should have the machine hosted in AWS Paris or
Paris,
whatever.
yes, yes. But then you have a connection between continents, and then it becomes a much more tricky question because, oh, we're in
Like,
a call.
wait,
Like,
this call that we're doing now,
yes, yes. If it was
may,
relayed, would it be relayed via a server in France in the middle? Maybe
mhm.
a server in Israel, a server here on the West Coast in the US? It
Okay.
depends.
So now I would rather probably host two machines or two turn servers next to these two users.
Yes, yes. And hopefully they would leverage the fact that between cloud providers, they have much better routing
Yep.
of packets.
Okay. But I guess this means now that if I need to start hosting turn servers, I need probably a lot more than one in a
Yes,
lot more places, and I need to start
yes,
dealing with this headache.
yes. Because you're like, okay, I have so many regions, I have different amount of users in each region, so it becomes a lot of headache and it's turn. So it should be like, okay, can we just pay someone for it?
Yep. So we're going to pay Cloudflare or Twilio or the other vendors out there.
Yes, yes. And the question is, how good are these? And the answer is, you need to measure them.
Mhm.
So if you need to pick a vendor, you should probably start with two because replacing turn servers is just replacing the credentials and the URL. And then you would do A/B testing, measure who has better time from the users to the turn server on average, and then lower round trip time.
Okay, and I'll hint something really, really small and minor. Almost nobody cares,
True.
which means just pick one, use them, and wait until enough people complain. And then start
Yes.
figuring out if you need to optimize that instead of starting the optimization in advance. Because switching from one turn vendor to another to your own in-house implementation doesn't take much work. There is no risk involved.
Yes. Yes. It's cheap to change.
Yep,
So go for the one with the lowest price.
definitely.